Okay, before we get started, let me say this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like, so you can see videos like this in the future. Like, I'm coming with the heat. Wanna hit me with the heat? Real, recognize, real. No, for real. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, you already know what the day is. It's April 7th, and guess what? This so ain't finna come out. First of all, let me say this. I gotta pat myself on the back. I'm patting myself on the back. You see? Okay. I gotta pat myself on the back. Let me tell you why. I sold the hell out of this sewing. The hell out of it. I put this sewing in January 7th. It is now April 7th. And look, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. I probably got like maybe one loose track back there, two loose tracks. Either way it go, I ain't had to re-sew nothing. It's been in there holding on strong. No loose tracks for real. I haven't had to re-sew anything. I sewed the hell out of this sew in. I mean, I'm just saying. But you know what? Today, I'm taking this out. Words can't express how ready I am to take this sewing out. It ain't nothing you can tell me about this sewing. Like, we done been through that thing. Like, this is what we gonna do today. I got my scissors. I got my detangling brush or comb, whatever you gonna call this. I got some clips. All right. We're gonna just work through this thing. I don't know, but let me just show you the before. New growth on swole. Like, new growth. New growth. New growth. It's not a game. Like, that's easily 1.5 inches. Like, I'm excited to see how my hair gonna look. But at the same time, I hope this one all in vain, because 3 months is a long time to just be tearing your hair up. So we gonna see. All right, y'all. Woo, it's so stiff. It's so stiff, y'all. It is stiff as a board. Okay. My net, y'all. My net. Ooh, yes, Lord. My ends still look good. You know, you take out some. Well, if you don't do right when you gotta sew in, your hair be dry as grass. Well, if your grass dry. I'm straight. I'm straight. My hair ain't tangled up at all. I can already tell we good. Okay, so all I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna add any product or anything to it because it's already soft and moisturized and it's not matted or anything like that. So all I'm doing is just finger detangling first, because I do have a little bit of buildup back here. And I'm just taking out that shed hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my detangling comb. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do that all over, okay? hair is dirty, I mean. But some people be dirty, buddy, when they take their potato styles down. My scalp don't even look that bad. The moral of the story is wash your hair. Wash your weave, ladies. Pet your weave, ladies. No, wash your weave for real. So now, got my shears. I'm finna trim my hair. Yeah, y'all should be able to see those knots on there. Those knots. Those knots on there. Yes. Y'all. I dogged that sewing out, y'all. That sewing been dogged out. I showed you how I wash my hair every 2-3 weeks, maybe once a month. It just depends on what I'm doing with my hair. I showed you how I style the top of my hair, how I moisturize up under my neck in my braids. My scalp overall, my hair looks good. Like I haven't washed it or done anything yet. Now don't get me wrong now. I got dirt on me, or maybe it's product dirt. I don't know, whatever it is. But overall, like I can't complain. I ain't have no tangling, no major tangling. I didn't have no matting. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess looking at other videos, I was expecting my hair to just be off the chain, but it looked good. It looked good. If I do say so myself, you know. I just trimmed my hair. I think my ends look good. I could wear it like this. I could wear it like this. I might put a picture up on Instagram or on Facebook. My hair just like this. So y'all, I forgot to show y'all how much hair I lost. I'm tripping. Next video is going to be me reviewing the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt line. Since I just came out of a potato style, I need to do a protein treatment. So why not do a protein treatment with an entire line? Makes sense, right? So just stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Again, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And just keep up with me. Just keep up with me.